Okay, we got it almost clean. We're gonna clean everything with the thinner or another solvent so everything gets real clean. This part needs to be clean too, because right here is where the oil enters to the timing chain tensioner, and it needs to be flat, that surface right here, because there's no seal right here. I like to put sometimes a little bit of silicone just to make sure it seals right here on this part. Let me remove this cover I put right there. Okay, let's clean right here real good so we can put the pump. Okay, let's clean right here just to remove the old gasket film, to make sure everything is clean right there. Okay, we got our new pump, coolant pump, water pump. It comes with the gasket already, because this guy ordered it from the dealer. He get all the parts from the dealer. It's got the gasket already. We just need to install it.
Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
Install it in place.
fan belts, ball joints. If it's on
Right
the
there.
car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it.
Let's
Featuring
put the
computerized
bolts.
diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay, right there. Okay, people, let's torque the water pump bolts to 22 foot-pounds. We need to torque the bolts across. £10, 10 foot-pounds. All right, okay, We need to remove these tensioners because we're going to replace them. Okay, let's push them out. Push them out of the way. There. Close them. Squeeze them. Oops. See? Right there. Now let's remove the other one. See, let's remove this plastic first, so there's no problem to push it out. Okay. Let's clean right here. Now let's put the new tensioners in there. Okay, we got the new tensioners right here. We need to put some oil in the O-rings. Don't remove the holder until you put the timing, the chain right here, the cam chain. Okay, and this one, it goes right here on the bottom part. See, right there. So let's put some oil and insert. Okay, we got some oil. Let's suck our tensioner. And let's put him in. But I'm gonna have to remove these two solenoids. Right here, there's not enough room to install it. The only way it's removing the plastic guide, but I don't want to. I'm gonna have to. See? There's no room. It's like a half an inch, like a half inch. Let's remove these solenoids. Okay, let's remove them. See, this solenoid is full of dirt. Now we can install it, people. Now we have plenty of room. All right. That went in there. Let's put the solenoids back on its place. All right, that's tight. right there. Let's install this one. Okay, don't remove this one yet till we put the chain. Let's
Gabriel
remove
Auto
this
Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days.
solenoids
Get
over
your
there.
preventative maintenance now and
We
save
know
money
it
tomorrow.
there need
All
to
types
be
of maintenance and
removed.
repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or
Okay.
replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician,
Get these
413 Highway 100,
off of there.
Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Bolts over here. Remove it. PVT solenoid. Variable valve timing solenoids. Now let's put the tensioner right there. Right there. Now let's put this other plastic. All right, let's put the BVT solenoids back in there. Let me clean them because see how dirty it is. Okay. Exhaust, BVT solenoid, intake, BVT solenoid. My camera was off. I don't know what was doing before, but right now I'm installing the VVT solenoids back on its place. Okay. Right there at the phaser here. Got the new chain. I'm gonna change the chain. And this one. Right here. Oh. This link, it needs to be right on the mark. See? Right there. So let's put it on the car. Okay, this pins needs to go inside the phasers. So let's put them on with the chain off. See, right there. Okay.
Gabriel Auto Technician at Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready.
To lift the chain so we can put it in there. There's a lip right here on the plastic guide. See, right there, went in. This one, it's a little bit difficult. Okay. Okay. This is what happened. Have to adjust this one. Need to move it. See? That went in. That went in. I'm not gonna get the bolts tight because remember, it's hard to remove this chain. So we need to put the chain in there, and there's no room. See? So I'm gonna leave this one off out a little bit. I'm gonna push this one in, and this one I'm gonna pull it out. I'm not gonna be able to pull this one too much because of the chain. The chain, it won't let me move too much. But I'm going to pull it a little bit. I'm gonna put this one maybe 1/16 gap right here between the bolt and the phaser. See, right here, so I can pull it out. I'm gonna have to move the cam again. So we can pull this phaser out.
Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and air
Right there.
heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
I think we got
heating
enough
systems, fan belts, fog
room.
lights. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or
Put the
replace
chain
it,
right here.
featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel
See?
Auto Technician, 413
Like right
Highway
here.
100, Laguna Heights. That's
I'm
Gabriel
gonna
Auto
remove that
Technician, 413
this
Highway
plastic
100 in Laguna.
holder so I can put the chain. I'm just checking if I can put the chain in. See, like there. or I need more room, because there's no room. So let's get this one tight a little bit. Okay, goes in right there. I'm gonna leave it not too tight, just right there. This one, it's in there just a little bit out, so I can put the chain right here. I'm gonna remove this one. Make sure the chain it's in there, in the guides right there. See, right here it's inside. So I'm gonna remove this. Okay, so that gave me a little bit of room to put the chain through here. See, as you can see right there. Okay, so let's put the other side. But on this other side, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark this sprocket and this one. See, on the back, I'm gonna put a mark where the chain link goes. Okay, let's put this on the marks. But like I say, I'm gonna do a scratch right here, or make a scratch right here to check, just in case it moves. See? Okay, I got this engraver. I'm gonna make a mark. This one goes on the right side. Okay, let's put the other side. I got the facers right here. It's right here on the mark on this side, and right here it's on the other side on the right, on the R. See the letter R? See? So I'm gonna put it on that side, and I'm made a scratch right here, so I know I can check where is it if the link jumps or something, because right there it's a little bit on the back, so it's hard to install it. So that's what I make these marks, so I can check it. It's gonna be a little bit difficult right here because this one goes on the back. Careful. Right there. This one it's in. Let's put the bolt on this one so we can turn the other one. Okay. Right there. Got the chain inside the tensioner. Right here too. Now make sure it's inside the guide. Okay, I'm gonna put the bolt right here on the back. Okay, I'm gonna do the same operation here. I'm gonna get this bolt tight a little bit and loose the other one so I can put the chain, so I can put the main chain on the marks. See? Right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull this one out a little bit, like this one, so I can put the chain in there. See, there's no way you can put the chain inside there, so I'm gonna have to loose and pull the sprocket out. See? Right there. Okay. So now let's put the timing guides. These guides. Let's get it tight. Okay. Okay, let's put this other one. Now let's put the tensioner right here. And we got the new timing chain tensioner. This is a different design. See? This is bigger. This is smaller, and this is made of aluminum. Okay, so let's put it on.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay, we got the timing chain, the main timing chain here, and we got the marks, the mark links. See, this is one, this is another one, and this one's got two mark links. See, this two goes on the crank, and this one goes on the left head, and this one on the right, the yellow one. I don't know what color your chain has, but you can put it like that, and then you'll see the one, because if you try to put it the other way, they're not gonna match. So let's set it right there on the mark right here. And the mark, the bottom part, I'm gonna show it to you later, but needs to be right here in the middle between the two colored links. See, that's where the point mark needs to be. There. Now let's put it in here. Oops, out. I'm gonna put it here first. Let me push it in. Right there. And there's this one. There. Need to pull this one a little bit. Okay, I have the timing chain on. I have the marks right here, as you can see. This one right here, this one right here, and the other one down there. It's, so you can see the dot on the crank. It's not adjusted yet, this one, like, or the tensioner is not like release. So but right now I'm gonna get these 4 bolts tight, because I remember I leave this one loose and a little bit off the, or out of the its place, because there's no way I can put this, so I just leave this one out a little bit, so it gave me a little bit of room so I can put the chain. And I have to remove this guides and the tensioner guide, so I can put the chain inside. See, and then I put it back on. I'm sorry, sometimes I forgot my camera goes off, and I didn't notice it, and well, I missed something on the tape or on the recording. But right now I'm gonna torque these bolts, and well, and then I'm gonna release, get this one tight, and release this tensioner. I'm gonna get it tight already, and then I'm going to get these ones tight. Recheck twice everything, because sometimes we get busy on another things, and we're doing something and we get busy on some things and we forgot to get the bolts tight. So every time you go away, if it's not the only job you're doing, like me, I'm going to do another job and then come back to this one and do another job and come back to the other job, and it's a little bit of, all right. Right there. Right there. Okay, we got this one tight. I'm not gonna remove this one yet because I need to get this one tight. I didn't remove the tools yet. Right here, they're still in its place. See, this one too. And I got this wrench right here because it's got a little play on the tool. It's not real like tight, like this part. I'm gonna remove it here. Like this part is not real close to the cam, so it's got a little movement, a small movement, and I have to move the cams, pull the cam, so I can put this mark on its place. See, and that thing I didn't put it on the camera because it was off, and I didn't saw it. Sometimes I put pause because I'm going to do something and I return to keep doing the job, and I forgot to take the pause off. But okay, right now I'm gonna get those 4 bolts real tight. Okay, we need to check that this phasers, this one and this one, we need to check that are seated right on its place, because we leave it out a little bit. I didn't get it out all the way out of the pin, of the guide pin. See, I just pull it a little bit, not too much. So we need to make sure that went down all the way in, and it's not like on the pin.
Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready.
This one looks right,
Get your preventative maintenance
and
now
that
and
one
save
too.
money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your
So
air conditioning, heating, tune-ups,
let me see with the
transmissions,
camera.
cooling systems, fan belts,
You can see
It's on the car. Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized
with
systems.
the flash.
GabrielAutoTech.
As you can see, this part,
Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel
See right
Auto
there.
Technician, 413 Highway
right there,
100
see
in Laguna Heights.
this is the part. It's right there is the union or the part. This is the part of the sprocket, and right here is the cam right there. So I got it right there. Now let's check this one. Let me turn this one over. I'm gonna turn over the camera. See, right there, it's closed. So we're good. So let's get those torqued. Let me check the book to see how much pressure it needs. Okay, so we got this one tight a little bit. This one too. And now I need to check the book how much pressure this bolt needs. We need to get these bolts tight, and we have the directions right here. Let me show it to you. Torque bolts of camshaft sprockets to 30 pounds. See? And then minus 360 degrees. And then 18 foot-pounds. And then turn it 180 degrees plus. And then release tensioners and install. I released tensioners already, so they were on the guides there, and that's not a problem, because on this car there's no way I can have the tensioners in. But they're not making pressure, and the cams, like the sprockets, they are into the guides, so that's not a problem. This one is not making any pressure right now because it's loose. See, this is the important one. If you put pressure on this one, that's gonna cause a little problem because it's gonna pull the cams. But right now we got the tools right here, and this one it's okay. These two sprockets. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna follow the directions. We're gonna follow the directions on the book. we're gonna get it tight, 30 foot-pounds, and then return it 360 degrees. Get them loose all the way, and then retighten to 18 pounds, and then we turn it 180 degrees. This is not too much trouble, but this one, because it's right here on the back, and there's not too much room right here. See? So let me get the torque wrench. The torque wrench and the ratchet. We're gonna tighten the bolts to 30 foot-pounds. $40. $30. $30. $30. Okay, now we need to release. I don't understand this, but I need to turn it back 360 degrees, which is all the way loose. Right there. Right there. And right there. And right there. Now we need to tighten again. To 18 foot-pounds. Okay, we need to turn these bolts right now 180 degrees, but we have a problem here. There's no way I can put the tool, the angle degree tool, because there's no room right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put tape around this socket. Right there. Right there. And I'm gonna mark 180 degrees, which is from this point to this point. So I'm gonna draw a line right here. Right there. And I'm gonna put the number 1 on this one. 1 and this one. This is the point 1, and this is gonna be the point 2, which is gonna make 180 degrees. This is the point 2. The point 2. See? So we're gonna turn from this point all the way to this other point right there. That's gonna be 180 degrees. See? From here, 1, 2. Okay? Because there's no way we can put the angle degree tool to measure it. So we got our ratchet. We already put 18 foot-pounds on each bolt. So right now I'm gonna turn it 180 degrees.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money.
Okay,
tomorrow.
let's start
All types
with
of
the easy
maintenance
ones.
for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups,
And
brakes,
then
transmission, cooling systems, backlights, ball joints.
we-
It's
we're
on the
gonna
clock. Gabriel Auto can fix it or
do the
replace it.
last
Featuring computerized
the last one
diagnostics.
over there.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413
Okay, let's
Highway
put it
100.
right here on the number 1.
That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.